Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a tutorial on what I'm calling this gray smoke look. Let's get started. First I'm going in with the color Wanderer from the Tartelette palette, and I'm using my Sigma E40 to get this all up in my crease to use as my transition color. I'm going in with Power Player with my Sigma E25, and I'm going to use this to deepen up my crease a little bit, but mostly use it to deepen up my outer V. This will give me more dimension. Now to deepen my crease even more, I'm going in with that very pretty deep dark purple color called Bombshell on my soft dome brush from Makeup Geek. I just wanted this look to be really smoky, and the more that you blend out Bombshell, it does appear to be more of a darkish gray color. Using darker shades on the outer V of your eye and blending it into your crease will give your eye more dimension. I'm just going in with my Sigma E40, that first brush that I used to get my transition color on, and I'm just blending out any harsh lines. There's no extra product on this brush. I'm just using it, again, just to blend any harsh lines. Now I'm going to be taking two colors, Mocha and Rosé, from the xoLaurenQ palette on my Sigma E55. This brush is really great for packing on lid color, so that's why I gravitate toward it whenever I pack color on my lid. But yeah, mixing these two colors, you get a very like cool toned, taupey color. And the Rosé adds just a tiny bit of warmth. Now I'm just going in with my soft dome brush again with no extra product and just blending out any harsh lines. Now I'm taking Power Player on my accent brush from Real Techniques, and I'm going to smudge that all over my lower lash line. Again, this color will just add dimension and make your look appear a little bit more cohesive. Now I'm going in with my favorite black eyeliner pencil of all time right now. This is the LA Girl Black Gel Liner, and you guys have seen me do this a couple times before. Now I'm just pushing this black gel liner into my lash line, and I know I'm pulling on my eyelid. I bet some of you are cringing. Sorry. But anyway, I just wanted to get this color really packed into my eyelash line, because I'm going to go in with Fashionista. I'm just taking any angled stiff brush, and I'm using this as my eyeliner today. I didn't want to go in with liquid liner because I wanted this look to still be smoky but also soft at the same time. So with this eye brush, I'm going to create a cat eye. So for some reason, I decided to contour my nose in the middle of doing my eye makeup. I'm going in with my Sigma E36, and I'm probably using the same bronzer that you guys will see in a minute. It's by Cover FX. So now I'm just prepping my lashes with waterproof mascara. This is a Telescopic by L'Oreal. And then my falsies for today are the Siren Lashes by House of Lashes. These are, well, actually the Misha Lashes by Coco Lashes are basically a dupe of these. These are a bit more pricier than Coco Lashes, but I promise you they are exactly the same. Just putting the same waterproof mascara on my lower lashes. Ooh, I got a scratch in my bronzer. Anyway, I'm using this bronzer with my NARS Ita brush to contour my face. I really like this bronzer. I haven't had any like adverse reactions to it. I know Cover FX like kind of basically like gears their products toward people who have acne prone skin, and I myself suffer from acne. So yeah, I really love this bronzer. It's matte and I just love the shade. It has a bit of a gray tone to it, so it's really great for contouring. So I forgot to take a product shot of this Hanky Panky blush, and it is a very pretty bright pink blush that is very pigmented. And I'm going in with my angled brush from Makeup Geek and just checking for symmetry. That's why I'm smiling. Now I'm going into my favorite highlighter of all time. This is Mary Luminizer by The Balm, and I'm using my Sigma F35. I think this brush is great. It's still like one of my favorites. So yeah, just using that to highlight. I'm using it again to highlight the inner corner of my eyes. This is like my favorite part. I believe that this step just makes your eyes appear bigger and brighter. Now I'm using Lumiere from ColourPop. This is one of their lippy pencils. All of their lippy pencils have corresponding lippy sticks, so it's the same color basically. But yeah, this color was created by Kathleen Lights, which is a fellow YouTuber, and I love this color. This is hands down one of my favorite ColourPop lippy sticks. And the formula is very comfortable to wear. It doesn't crust, it doesn't like skip along your lips, or like, you know what I mean, like it doesn't drag. So anyway, this is a finished look. I hope you guys like it. If you do, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye.